Well, hello guys, welcome to the farm. I am making 15 pounds of soap. I'm still undecided if I'm gonna video all three, kind of like in a fast forward manner, but I will explain a little bit because the last soap video I did was how to make soap. So this first one I'm gonna do is just two colors. I'm gonna do a green and a rose, so green and a rose clay, and I'm going to be using this honeydew rose fragrance, and I'm not sure which way this is going to go. Probably this way maybe, because my camera screen is upside down, so I guess it would be this way for y'all. Yeah. Natural fragrance. I only use natural fragrances or essential oils in my soaps, and only natural colors, clays, root powders, infused botanicals, all those kinds of things. So the other thing I'm going to do, and again, I'll start in on a fast forward here in a minute. So I made these little roses out of these little molds, and this is actually fragranced with my watermelon scent called Watery Melon. And so I think I'm going to put these on top. So I have different sizes, so I'm going to put them on top, and I might sprinkle some poppy seeds along the side to give some texture. I thought about maybe piping some green leaves. I have it ready in case I decide to do that, but then that would be a third color. But I just wanted to show you doing a two-color soap, what I'm gonna do. So let me go ahead and add this lye solution using my goat's milk from our farm. If you are new to my channel, we homestead here, we raise our goats, we have horses, but we utilize our horses with our nonprofit organization, Steadfast Trail Farm, working with kids that have just different needs. So I want to show you this goat's milk, because the goat's milk, this is goat's milk and lye. This is a little darker than the last one, maybe because I did 15 pounds total. So I've divided my oils by 3, I've divided my lye and milk solution by 3, and then I just divide my fragrance by 3 because I'm doing 3 different designs and 3 different fragrances. So this will be a fun, a fun event here. So I'm going to go ahead and start mixing in. It definitely is a lot. It's right now sitting at right about 85, 90 degrees. I tend to go a little lower than that, but I gotta move along here. We have rain, so I won't be having my horse sessions tomorrow. My phone is going off because I know people are curious about it, seeing what's going on, what's happening. You see I'm using my yogurt container. This is a number 5 container, which is great for soaps. I love to recycle. I know there's a lot of neat containers out there, but I would much rather utilize what I have. So let me mix that up. I'm gonna go slow first. Again, I'm just gonna try to mix this up a little bit. The majority of what is going to be a mint green color. Trying to do like a honeydew melon color. And then look, it's already starting to thicken up. And then I'm gonna do a rose in the middle, like a rose color in the middle, and just swirl it. All right, this one is taking a while to set up, so I'm just gonna clean up and set this one aside and work on, I'm gonna do the Virginia is for Lovers soap. All right, I'm gonna let this one set up, and we're gonna put the top on this one. The Virginia is made for lovers.
Look outside of your dreams, 'cause you might miss the moment he's reaching out his hand. And you look beyond all your things, 'cause you might overlook that she's asking you to dance. You gotta give all you got, gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got, gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got, gotta give all you got for love, 'cause you're here for a moment. You give all you got for love.